lose my license and the $99? Oh. Yeah. Yeah. What you had done in Notepad++ there, Chris? Seeing all your mistakes just so he could have a camera? Hopefully be able to parse some of it out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think it was relatively straightforward, other than the fact that you had to decipher which hex code did what and when it reversed and why. Or not necessarily why. An egg? Wait, you have an egg and bacon pie, chips and proper gravy? Is it brown gravy, I assume? Do you have the camera lens like that to make it? It's natural. You like that? Like, oh yeah, let me get this over here for Tim. My orange underwear. Just for Tim. Because I know that Tim likes it this way. Flex. Bombotski, what's up? What's up, White Fox? How you doing? How many tools do you really need to make a knife? Oh, jeez. You know, need and are the term need and the term are really nice to have are two very different things. Yeah, and it's all about speed. Bandsaw? No, you do not need a bandsaw. I'm gonna say the most valuable tools that I have that I could not do this without are gonna be my angle grinder for cutting out my blanks. So if you forge, that's totally different. Angle grinder for cutting out my blanks, and then my belt grinder for shaping and do everything. Yeah. That's what I'm going to go with. I'm going to go with angle grinder with a cutoff disc and belt grinder. Yeah, it wouldn't be very pretty though, Saki, but it would work. Where do I get materials? So, I get my steel normally from either New Jersey Steel Baron or Alpha Knife Supply. I get my handle material. You can get handle material from a variety of different places. I buy it off Instagram. I buy it from Sasaki Woodworks there in chat. You can get it. You can also get that from Alpha Knife Supply. Pins, Alpha Knife Supply or Maker Material Supply, Texas Knife Maker Supply. There's a ton of places to get pin material. Hell, you could go to Home Depot and buy yourself some 1/8" brass rod or 1/8" just mild steel rod. That'll do fine for pins. The one thing that you're going to have to get or pay for somebody else to do is going to be heat treat, so hardening. That's going to have to be done if you could pay somebody to do that. Yeah, and you only need heat to do that. I started off doing it with a cinder block turned on its side, charcoal, hardwood charcoal, and an air source. I used an electric leaf blower. Well, it depends on your budget there, Bombotsky. I mean, to be the most precise, you're going to need a heat treat oven, like Saki's talking about. You could totally do it. You could totally do it with charcoal and a heat source or an air source to heat it up even higher. I have a propane forge over here.